Besides being beautiful, sunflowers have a lot to offer to our health. Have you ever heard about sunflower seeds or sunflower oil? Have you ever tried one of them? Usually, we don't pay much attention to sunflower seeds, but did you know they can contribute to your health? Highly nutritious, sunflower seeds are relatively cheap and easy to find in supermarkets or health food stores. Sunflower seeds are good for the intestine, heart, skin, and even help control glycemia. Did you know that? No? Then learn some of the benefits of eating sunflower seeds. Alleviate stress. Since they contain magnesium, sunflower seeds calm down, alleviate stress, and help with migraines. Besides that, because they have tryptophan and choline, the seeds also help fight off anxiety and depression, which improves brain function and memory, helps prevent constipation. Thanks to its fiber, sunflower seeds help fight constipation by reducing the time of intestinal transit and increasing fecal volume. Contributes to cardiovascular health. Rich in good fats, both mono and polyunsaturated, sunflower seeds help maintain cardiovascular health by regulating the levels of total cholesterol, increasing the good cholesterol and reducing the bad one, besides reducing the triglycerides levels. Isn't it amazing? Are you enjoying the video so far? If this video is helping you, leave a comment. And don't forget to leave a thumbs up to help our channel. Protects the skin. With copper and vitamin E, sunflower seeds also protect the skin against harmful ultraviolet rays and make your skin younger and brighter. Prevents arthritis and osteoporosis. Sunflower seed oil reduces the symptoms of arthritis, also contributing to prevent and treat rheumatoid arthritis. Besides that, thanks to the proteins, sunflower seeds also aid in many enzymatic functions of our body, such as bone development, thus preventing osteoporosis. Now that you know the benefits of sunflower seeds, you must be asking yourself, do I eat them with or without the shell? Unshelled seeds are more practical since most people don't eat the shell. A great way of consuming these seeds is by adding them to a nut mix or in your salads. You can also grind them and use the sunflower seed flour to bread chicken and fish. Now learn how to season your sunflower seeds at home. Ingredients: 1/3 cup sunflower seeds, around 1.75 ounces, 1 teaspoon water, 1/2 teaspoon curry, 1 pinch salt, 1/2 teaspoon olive oil. Directions: in a bowl, combine the sunflower seeds with the water, curry, and salt. Put the olive oil in a frying pan over medium heat and add the seed mixture. Mix it for 4 minutes or until toasted. Let it cool down completely before storing in airtight containers. Seasoned sunflower seeds are a great addition to soups, salads, risottos, or even as a snack. Try it and share your opinions with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and